I'm probably here for the top offers. And the good news is I've got some fantastic ones in store for you right now. So like that deadbeat dad who comes back with the Nerf gun that provides you a few good 3 hours of fun, I'm here to give you 3 minutes of it. So let's get started with several high converting offers you can go promote to make affiliate sales today. At number 5, we have VinCheckup. This has shown up in our rankings before. It's a digital software and services product with a modest $10 average payout, but nearly a 7% conversion rate, which is amazing. And VinCheckup will give you 75% commissions and boasts low refunds under 3% as well. The offer itself is pretty straightforward. I mean, do you want to look up a VIN? Yeah, so you can check it up. So it has a comprehensive vehicle history report covering everything from title info, previous accidents, records of sale, lemon checks, and much more. That's all helpful to have on hand if you're looking to buy or sell a car and you don't have to deal with a little fox. So yeah, down with the furries and in with VinCheckup. So are you interested in promoting it for yourself? Head over to the marketplace to check out the latest stats and grab your tracking link. So we got an EPC of 57 cents, an average payout value of $10.13, and a hop conversion rate of, oh my God, 6.76%. That's insane, and I'm glad it's not 3 straight sixes to start off the year because that's a bad omen. So let's go on to offer number 4. And at number 4, we got a classic, Rocket Languages. This product continues to stay in our top 5. Just like Ted's Woodworking, Rocket Languages is a classic digital offer that fulfills its core promise of foreign language learning across Spanish, French, Italian, German, and much more. Seriously, it is like a Duolingo. It actually is older than Duolingo. This offer used to be closed to new affiliates, which is one reason its stats are so high, but now that it's looking for a wider affiliate base, Rocket Languages is still maintaining an average payout of more than $90 and a conversion rate topping 8%. It's insane. Now, one perk of Rocket Languages is how well it converts on organic and an engaged audience. If you are an influencer, if you have cultivated an audience or a newsletter for a specific demo, my goodness, this thing converts. It's a no-brainer. So go and get whitelisted right now to promote it. It's got an EPC of $6.54. What? An average payout value of $90.32 and hop conversion rate of 8.02%. It's insane. Now, I do have to give a caveat. They are selective with who they do work with. So the people that do work with them are very good. But if you are really good or you think you can be really good, shoot for the stars, man. You know, slay. Do it. New year, new you. Go. Ask to test it and get it. All right, guys, it's come to my attention that some of you are watching my content without a ClickBank account because you haven't signed up for one. I, for one, am not upset. I'm just disappointed in you. I thought you were better than this. Do I love you watching me every single month? Yes. Do I love you commenting about my shirts? Yes. Do I like you commenting about my shirts, about how they suck? While you don't have a ClickBank account, sign up for an account. And if you don't talk about my shirt. So sign up below. Click this link or up there. Or just go to clickbank.com and click sign up. There you go. Start promoting today. And at number 3, we got the loss generator. It's dropped down to number 3 after hitting number 1 a few months ago, but still a strong run with them. And they got plenty of room to keep on going up and up. And if you don't know, the loss generator is a product with DIY electricity generator blueprints inspired by the myth, the man, the legend, Thomas Edison himself. Yeah, come back from the dead. Just to give them detailed instructions on how to generate their own electricity for use on a backup power source, such as for emergencies or going off grid. Or maybe they just read a book. I don't know. Maybe he's not alive anymore. The Lost Generator is actually part of a series of Lost products from the same top seller on ClickBank, like The Lost Ways, The Lost Book of Remedies, and The Lost Superfoods. This man keeps on finding stuff. I mean, seriously. The man is like a modern day Indiana Jones. And so the offer, it's got a low refund rate, a great AOV, and it pays out. Affiliates earn an impressive 80% per front-end sale, or even higher if you drive high volume. You also get access to a lot of great affiliate tools, including email swipes, banners, product images, and most importantly, pay-per-click ads. So find out more on their marketplace listing, and let's talk about those numbers. An EPC of 59 cents, an average payout value $53.54, and a hop conversion rate of 1.4%. I mean, it's Goldie. So go, promote it. It's awesome. All right, this time around, we got Pineal XT, starting us off at spot number 2. And what is Pineal XT and why is it so special? We'll open your third eye, y'all. Well, Pineal XT is the very first supplement to combine the niches of manifestation and health. It's like opening up your fourth eye. This product has a unique blend of natural and rare ingredients like iodine, chaga mushroom, and Gisandra powder to supercharge the pineal gland and promote all those overall well-beings. I mean, seriously, I'm aligned with the universe just talking about it. As an affiliate, you'll love that Pineal XT has a strong hook, and also that it has an average payout that is nearly $140 per sale. Probably more the latter than the first, but they both combine to an amazing conversion rate and a ton of commissions. Has an optimized funnel based on more than 100K invested in split testing. Best of all, Pineal XT has a great conversion rate, monthly rebills that will maximize your lifetime earnings, and a great team behind it. So does it sound like a good fit for your business? Hell yeah, it does. So check out the marketplace right now. It's got an EPC of $1.09, an average payout value of $137.33, and a hop conversion rate of 0.93%. I mean, damn, that's just really good. It's just a great offer. And going into the new year, everyone's going to be wanting their new horoscope, what's looking forward, and they want to be more aligned. All the chakras, all the mindset, the third eye. They're going to be looking at the Illuminati, going through the Denver airport, trying to find the real secret. You know what? Because why is a horse out there? No one knows. So go, promote it. At number 1, Ted's back again. At number 1. Whoo! I mean, if I'm honest, I'm not surprised. I'm just expected it to be here. It's, you know, like a comfort blanket, you know? It's just always there for you. And it's definitely one of the longest running digital offers on ClickBank ever, thanks to a strong hook featuring more than 16,000 woodworking plans. That's a lot of ways to build a table. Even 12 years later, Ted's Woodworking is still hitting number 1 in our Non-Nutra category. And it still has a ton of sales in 2024 and is going to have more sales in 2025. So if you're interested in making the most out of Ted's Woodworking and its ongoing success for yourself, be sure to promote it on email, Facebook, native ads, seriously everywhere. Just promote it. It works so well. It's got an EPC of $1.30, an average payout value of $76.36, and a hop conversion rate of 1.87%. And it's perfect for the new year when people are like, man, I'm going to start a new hobby. Really going to finish building out that table. Our table sucks. I should really learn how to work with my hands. And you know, like just because my hands aren't calloused doesn't mean I don't put in work, you know? You know, I just moisturize. That's all. I'm a hardworking guy. Bonus! We got new offers. Lightning round. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy, no whammy. For our bonus this month, I want to do a lightning round of 3 brand new Non-Nutra offers you can check out. Yeah, brand new. Yeah, I got the good stuff right here. You want some of this? I got it. All of these are in the spirituality niche, my guy, which has been why they've been on fire for the last year, fam. Yeah, no cap. Slay. Get it. So you want some of that kind of twin flame stuff? I got it right here. Number 3, we got Angelic Prayer. It's nicknamed Pray 95. Yeah, you gotta pray 95 times. No, Angelic Prayer is a brand new prayer offer tested with over 1 million cold traffic clicks. You can expect an average order value just under $30 per sale on this one. You can find it on ClickBank under the nickname Prayer 95, or you can just pray 95 times. I don't know what the last one will do, but maybe it'll pop up. We don't know. Maybe it's a cheat code. Maybe it's an Easter egg. But at number 2, we got Astrovic Reading. Astrovic Reading is the first Vedic astrology offer on ClickBank. Do you know what that is? I don't, so let's learn together. You'll want to know that this comes from a 4-time ClickBank Platinum vendor and comes with 75% commissions on the entire funnel. That translates to an average order value of $25. So use the nickname Astrovedic to find out what it is in the marketplace. What is Vedic? Who is Vedic? We'll find out together. And at bonus number 1, we got Spiritual Salt. Yes, Spiritual Salt. This is a physical product that is built for high conversions for audiences in the areas of manifestation. And you don't have to throw it over your shoulder for good luck. It performs super well on both email lists and cold traffic and boasts an average order value of $61.08. That's pretty impressive for a salt offer. I mean, that's expensive salt, and I bet you it tastes great on mac and cheese. If you're focused on the spirituality niche, it's not always easy to come across a strong physical product. So get it. Go. Search for SSalt42 on ClickBank and grab that tracking link today. So that's all I got for you this time around. But don't think of this as the end. Just think of this as the beginning of something special. You know, it's not goodbye. It's hello. And strangely enough, that's what I said to Justin when I locked him into the closet. So you have a great 2025, And see you next month. Go make some money, y'all. And most importantly, like this channel. Like this channel. Subscribe. So what are you doing? I heard you guys are watching this and you haven't subscribed. You don't have a ClickBank account. And you're just watching me? I'm touched. I'm touched. But seriously, like and subscribe it so it doesn't get weird.